Hello guys, today I will demonstrate how to mask using control node in Godot. First of all, I have created this simple leaf particle effect that produces object that constantly falling. As you can see, the particles are falling everywhere. Now, let us mask them into a rectangular area. Create a new control node. And then, adjust the size of the node as big as you want. I am going to adjust the anchor to top center. After that, enable the clip content variable on layout category, and change clip children variable to clip only or clip plus draw. Clip only means that this control node itself will not be rendered, only the children get rendered. While clip plus draw means while acting as mask, the node will be rendered too. Now for the last part, we have to move the object that we want to mask under the control node. And that's how to mask using control node. Thank you for watching. If you think this tutorial helps, please leave a like and comment, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tutorial on Godot.